Imagine coming home to a spotless house, laundry neatly folded, and not a single chore left undone. This could soon be a reality thanks to a new breed of home robots powered by advanced AI. Meet Emo, one of the first consumer robots designed to tidy up your living space. This little guy can pick up clothes, clean surfaces, and sort household items, all while using AI to navigate your home autonomously. But Emo is just the beginning. Companies like Zimple, Jetson, and even Tesla are racing to bring intelligent home robots to market that can handle chores, assist with cooking, and become true robotic companions. We're effectively building a synthetic animal from the ground up. It moves around, it senses the environment, and acts autonomously and intelligently. Thanks to advances like computer vision, machine learning, and robotic dexterity, these home robots can now perceive and interact with their environments like never before. Imagine having a robotic buddy that learns your preferences, bonds with your family, and even develops a unique personality over time. This level of AI-driven companionship could help combat loneliness and provide vital support, especially for the elderly. Of course, the rise of home robots also raises complex ethical questions about privacy, job displacement, and humanity's relationship with intelligent machines in our personal spaces. But one thing is clear: the home robot revolution has arrived. The question is, are we ready to welcome these incredible AI assistants into our lives and homes? The future is virtually knocking at our doors.